Hello children. Now we know that what are we celebrating today? Yes, we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, and what date is today? It's 2nd of October. Who knows the full name of Gandhi ji? Yes, anyone? Anyone? Yes, his full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and he was born at Porbandar. You know all this. You are very smart kids. Now, can anyone tell me what did Gandhiji preach? He preached us that he had three monkeys. One said, "Hear no evil." One said, "Speak no evil." And one said, "See no evil." Yes, he believed in the path of non-violence. He was very important for the freedom of India. And now, on the birthdays, what do we do on the birthdays? We eat cake and chips. Yes, how does the cake taste? It tastes sweet, yum. And what about chips? Chips are salty. You want to see? Yes, here we have chips. The chips are salty. When you touch it, it is a bit hard, but when you chew it, it is a bit crunchy and it is salty. Okay, who knows how does the salt look? I'll show you. There is different form of salt. This is rock salt. It is in the form of a rock, and when you crush it, you get powdered salt. This is the salt we use in the kitchen. We need salt in everyday life. In everything mama makes, she puts a little bit of magic and a salt. Now, who will tell me the importance of salt for our body? It is the very important source of minerals. Everybody needs salt in their routine life in little proportion, not too much. If you eat too much, again it is a problem, but it helps our body to be hydrated. It keeps it hydrated, and it helps our heart to pump the blood throughout our body in a rhythm. Not too much fast, not too much slow. So, will tell me, where do we have our heart? It is on the left side. Yes. And our heart beats very rhythmically. Yes. Everybody knows. Show me where the heart is. Yes. Good children. Now, can anybody tell me the importance of walking? You children are very smart. You know how to walk, but do you know little children, babies, they are under 1 and they can't walk. Then what do? Their mamas and their grandparents and parents, they carry them, right? They cannot walk on their own. So they continuously need somebody to help them to move around till the time they start crawling. Yes, correct. Mostly kids learn how to walk till they are 1 year. Now you kids are very smart. You know how to walk, and it is a very good kind of an exercise. Yes. Your body feels fresh. It feels energetic. It makes your body calm. Now, everybody look here. Here we are going to talk about a Dandi March. Does anybody know what is Dandi March? Yes, it was a salt satyagraha. It is the second name of Dandi March. Children, there was a British government who came from outside country and ruling over India. Yes. Is it a good thing? Okay, you don't know. I'll give you one example. So if some big kids or from other class kids come in your class and start sitting in your room, and they'd say, "This table belongs to me, this chair belongs to me, this book belongs to me." Is it correct? No, nobody should do that. If the children of the same class have their things, they belong to that class. Correct? Now these people came from outside and started ruling on India. Now you know that salt was very important. What they did? They put tax on the salt. What is tax? It was the extra fees that we had to pay to buy salt. The salt was very easily available in India, but because of the rule which government made, the British government made, the salt became very expensive for the poor. And if we don't eat salt properly in our routine life, our health is affected, and we don't want that. This news went to Gandhiji. What did Gandhiji say? What? This is not allowed. We have very good source of salt in India. The three sides of India is surrounded by coastal region, that is east, west and south. So we should get salt easily. It is our property. We should get it. Okay, everybody supported him. The Indian people supported him. But he did not argue. He did not fight. Now let's see what he did with a small video. Do you like to see videos? Do you like to see cartoon? But this time it is a different way of cartoon. I hope you enjoy it. I'll come back after the video. Let's see.
The Story of Dandi March by Sandhya Rao. In 1857, Indians fought the first war of independence against the British. They were brave but were defeated. Nearly 75 years later, Indians fought a very different kind of battle and won.
Thank you so much, Miss Jessica, for such a nice introduction. Now I would like to invite Miss Yogita to share her thoughts about Mahatma Gandhi.
आज राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी जयंती है। उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 पोरबंदर गुजरात में हुआ। मैं उनके बारे में, स्वावलंबन के बारे में 2-4 शब्द बोलूँगी। आत्मनिर्भरता या स्वावलंबन की संकल्पना गांधी जी की जीवन दृष्टि का सार तत्व है। महात्मा गांधी आर्थिक स्वायत्तता या आत्मनिर्भरता को राजनीतिक स्वाधीनता की कुंजी कहते थे। वो खुद का काम खुद करते थे। उन्होंने साबरमती आश्रम में अपना जीवन बिताया और परंपरागत भारतीय पोशाक, धोती व सूत से बनी शाल पहनी, जिसे वे स्वयं चरखे पर सूत काट कर हाथ से बनाते थे। इसके बारे में मैं गांधी जी के बारे में आपको एक कविता सादर करती हूँ। एक थे अपने मोहन गांधी, साथ वो लाए थे एक आंधी, हाथ में लाठी घड़ी भी लटके, चश्मा पहने तन के पतले, 2 कपड़ों में चलते रहते, पैदल चलते कभी न थकते, अंग्रेजों को मार भगाया, भारत को आज़ाद कराया। सभी को गांधी जयंती की शुभकामनाएं।
The future depends on what you do today, said by Mahatma Gandhi. A very pleasant good morning to my dear children and respected teachers. We all have gathered here for a special day to honor and remember a man of the great courage and wisdom, our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Every year, 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. It is the 155th birth anniversary of our beloved Mahatma Gandhi. So now I request Miss Jessica to tell us something more about Mahatma Gandhi.
Thank you, Purnima, for inviting me. Good morning, all of you, my children, my teacher, and my principal ma'am. My name is Jessica Dubey, and today we have to celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd October every year. India observes a national holiday Gandhi Jayanti to celebrate independence and honor the principles through which our freedom fighter and leader Mahatma Gandhi led us to this day. He taught us to be the change we want to see in this world. He also taught us that where there is love, there is life. He always followed the path of ahimsa and non-violence to bring us together. All this teaching made him our father of the nation. Now please join me in welcoming the Miss Kaushal to the stage. She will be sharing valuable insight about the impactful actions of Gandhiji. Thank you.